Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga, and welcome to day 3 of our daily yoga fix. So well done for getting on the mat. We're going to work for 15 minutes, practice and feel better. So have the usual things that you might need, a couple of bricks, blocks, cushions, anything you need to support your body. And then come to comfortable seated position. You can stay like this. You can stretch the legs out. You can sit in a chair. And then take an inhale, sit nice and tall. And exhale, release the shoulders. And doing this again. Inhale to lift and lengthen. And exhale. And bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra. We'll open the space for practice with the vibration of Om. Taking a breath in. Om. And gently bow the gaze. Keep the eyes closed. And take a few moments to check in with your body, your mind, your emotions. And then begin to thread the breath through these anchors of awareness. And take a deeper breath in. And exhale and gently open the eyes. So from this position, bring the hands back to Anjali Mudra. Inhale, lift the prayer hands up. And then exhale, take the arms out to the side with the palms open. With the palms open, inhale, just lean over to the right side. And then exhale, bring the fingertips down. Inhale, reverse the position of the palm and swoosh the left arm across. And then exhale and circle it back and down. Good. And again, inhale, warming up the shoulders. Exhale, coming down. If this is too much, just bring the hand to the hip. Inhale, circle the shoulder as an alternative. And exhale. Good. If you're in the chair, just take hold of the side of the chair. Inhale, last one. And exhale. Inhale, come back to center, swoosh the arms up. Exhale, open the palms of the hands. Good. Inhale, lean over to the left side. Exhale, fingertips come down. Inhale, drop the right arm down and then across. Exhale to circle. Good. Inhale. So just feeling all those sensations. Exhale out some stiff areas, some resistance. That's okay. That's why we're doing this. Inhaling to lift. Exhale, last one. Big inhale. And exhale, lift back to center, open palms. And then inhale, bring the palms of the hands in, interweave the fingers. Exhale. Inhale, scoop the hands up around the shoulders. Try and drop the shoulders down. If that's too much, just have the arms apart, no problem. And then exhale, belly in, turn to your left side. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale to center. Exhale, turn to the right side. Good. Inhale. Sneeze. Exhale to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale to center. Then lift the hands. Exhale, round the back, chin towards the chest. And then inhale, lift back to neutral spine and exhale. Good. So from here, we'll come through to an all fours position. So coming through, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Just take a moment there. And just feel stable. Know that you can always bring the forearms down. If you're in the chair, just rest the hands in the lap. Just feeling the stability of the shoulders. Now from here, you can keep the knees apart or you can bring the knees together. See how your lower back feels. From here, inhale, just lean forward, squeeze the glutes, a little bit of weight bearing, and then exhale as you glide back. And again, inhale, draw the lower abdominals in. Exhale to glide back. So a little bit of strength work. It's called sthira. Inhale, come forward. Exhale. We'll do one more. Inhale, come forward. Now you have the option to hold. Inner elbows face each other, holding. They have a little shake on. Good. Exhale and then sink all the way back into child pose. Utthita Hasta. Keep the arms extended. The head doesn't reach the floor. Just bring some support underneath the forehead. You're in the chair. Just fold forward over the legs and let the backs of the hands dangle. Deep breathing into the lower back muscles. Good, and then inhale, walk the hands in. Exhale, and just press up to a high kneeling position. Very good. So if your knees were together, you can take them apart. Maybe you can pad the knees. And then inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor. See if you can step forward with the left leg. If you need to pad the right knee, that's fine. Again, you can do this with the chair. Just step the left leg forward. Keep the right foot on the floor. From here, press into that left heel. Inhale, swoosh the arms up. And then exhale, just turn to your right side. As if you were holding a big Swiss ball. Big inhale, scoop up, exhale. Good. Now from here, just bring that left hand down and comes into the small of the back. Big inhale, exhale, lean forward and see if you can carry the elbow nice and high over the left knee, or you might come even deeper, carry the elbow over the left knee, press the palms together. Inhale, see if you can lift the chest towards the thumbs. Good. Exhale, drop the shoulders down, either look straight ahead or look over the shoulder. Keep a squeeze of the pelvic floor. Good. If you're feeling mega energetic, you might tuck the back toes under. You might even lift up in this position or not. Just see. Keep breathing. Good. We've got one more breath. Nice. From here, bring the knee down. If you're lifted, untuck the toes. Come back to that high up position. Inhale, lift, and exhale, circle the arms back and down. Good. From here, bring the hands down to the floor or to a couple of bricks. So if you need a bit more distance, you can always use bricks or blocks. That's always good. And then inhale, stretch the left leg back. Just open out the back of the knee. And exhale as you come back to center. Let's have a little sway from side to side, either on the floor or on your bricks. Very good. And we will change sides. So inhale, walk yourself up to that high kneeling position. Exhale and just stabilize, knees are hip distance. Inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor. So lift, lift, lift. See if you can step forward with the right leg. Good. You might be a bit wobbly, that's all right. Good. Stabilize here. Good. And then inhale, swoosh the arms up. Exhale, easy turn to the right side. Breathing and feeling. You need to keep your hands on your hips. That's an option. Hands on the shoulders is an option. I'm going to turn around so I can still see you. Good. Keep lifting, lifting. And then exhale. Bring the heel of the right hand down into the small of the back. Inhale. Exhale. Lean forward at an angle and bring the hands into a high prayer position. Good. Press into the right heel, or you might hook the left elbow over the right knee. Just use a little bit of traction there. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the chest towards the thumbs. Maybe look over the shoulder, but make sure you're still breathing. Good, still breathing. That's really important. And again, if you're feeling energetic, just lean forward, tuck the back toes, and maybe lift the back kneecap away from the floor. Can you still smile? Just see. If you can't, maybe you've gone a bit too far. So just a few breaths here. Feeling and breathing. And then exhale, bring the knee down if you're lifted. Unravel the twist, squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift all the way back up. And exhale, circle the arms back and down. Very nice. From here, take the hands forward, tuck the back toes, use a bit of momentum. And on the inhale, step through with the left leg. Exhale, sit back into chair pose. Bring the hands above the knees. Squeeze the glutes. Enjoy that fiery feeling through the thighs as we come into Utthita Hasta. Now, have the palms facing as you sit back. And then press into the heels. Inhale, slowly lift up. And exhale as we arrive in Tadasana mountain pose. Pause here. Equalize the breath. You may close the eyes. Soften the gaze and just take this pause to feel the prana or the energy you've created so far. And this is what their yoga practice is about. Gives us this good energy, this juice for the rest of the day. Good. And then inhale, float the prayer hands up. And exhale, coming back to center. From here, bring the hands to the hips and try a little standing balance. So grip the mat with the toes of the right foot. And try Utthita Hasta Padagunthasana B variation. So from here, bring the left heel in towards the ankle and just take the knee out. Good. Make sure you're not locking the right knee. Stand tall. Try not to look at your feet as you breathe. This is option 1, the planted option. Option 2, you might tinker with lifting the knee, maybe taking the shin or even the back of the thigh. See what's doable. Little dangle of the ankle, dangle of the toes. Good. If that's easy for you, shift the hand up to the waist, maybe double finger, leave the big toes. You might begin to tinker with extending out. If you're feeling really brave, you may even turn the head in the opposite direction. And know that you can do that with any of those options. You might wobble like I am. It's all right. Embrace that. Enjoy the ride. And then inhale, come back to center and exhale. Well done. Good. Have a little shift from side to side. Changing sides. So again, no, you can stay here the whole practice. It's option 1. If you're on the chair, this is your option. You just take the knee out to the side. Option 2 can be done from the chair. You might try a leg lift. They're harder from the chair, actually. Just taking hold of the shin or the back of the thigh. Rock the shoulders, squeeze the glutes. Good. Remember the rest of the options. It might be a work in progress. You might say, not today. That's all right. You might try shifting the gaze across. I would recommend that you do that slowly. Still breathing. Good. Enjoy the wobble. Enjoy the imperfection. It's all right to move. Good. And then inhale to center. Exhale, release it down. Very nice. Bring the hands back to Anjali. Take a moment to pause. Drop the chin. Surrender the effort. Good. And then from here, inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, circle the arms back and down as you fold forward into Uttanasana. And I know you can bend your knees, no problem. Inhale, slide the hands to the shins, lift the chest. Exhale, walk the hands forward and arrive in a seated position, however is best for you. If you're in your chair, you're already there, you're already ahead of the game. And coming to a comfortable seated position here. Let's take a few moments to settle into the sitting bones. Good, and then inhale, lift the chest forward. Exhale, just bring the fingertips down in front of you. Another option is to bring your hands to rest on a couple of bricks. You might steeple your fingers. This helps you to keep your back really long. This bothers your knees, and just stretch the legs out as an alternative. Good, yeah, take that option if that works better for you. Big inhale, exhale, and just begin to fold forward, initially with a nice long spine. Good, and then wherever you are, you can begin to round slightly if you wish. Let go of the head. You might be able to bring the head to the back of the hands. Most of us will be somewhere up here. Just breathing, feeling our way into the body. So just see where you need to be. Go all the way down. Great. You're up here. Also great. So one option isn't better than the other. It's just shapes in space. And taking one more breath. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, walking everything back up. And exhale. Very good. So just take a moment here. Interweave the fingers. Do a little pranayama. Day 3. Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. Just going to do a little practice. So from this position, bring the hands to Yoni Mudra. This means the thumbs and the first fingers connect. Yoni means womb. Slide the thumbs underneath the chin and then allow the fingers to pop apart. Relax the shoulders and elbows. Close off the right nostril and inhale left. Close, open, exhale right. Inhale right. Close, open, exhale left. Inhale left. Close, open, exhale right. Last round. Inhale right. Close, open, exhale left. Release Yoni Mudra down. Allow the eyes to close or soften. Soften the belly and just return to observation of the natural flow of the breath. Maybe you can feel a quietening, softening. Maybe the breath is less perceptible. Maybe you feel calmer, just see. And then take an inhale. Exhale, gently blink the eyes open. So then bringing the hands back to Anjali Mudra. Inhale, exhale, namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on day 3. This is a 14-day challenge. So I hope to see you for day 4. Make sure you're subscribed. If you like the class, hit the like button. I shall see you very soon.